Let me blow your mind. I will do it now. Just give me a couple of minutes, maybe a little more than a couple of minutes, maybe a few minutes, maybe just a little more, but I'm gonna definitely blow your mind. Okay. Do you see this chart right now? This is the chart of Bitcoin, 25th of March, 2023. This is the daily and this is the 4 hourly. You can see here in the 4 hourly, we had a bull run from 10th of March, losing its momentum, go a little down, a little up, correction. There's a little bearish Gartley here, a little W, then go all the way down, losing even more momentum. What about this one on the daily? And this one on the 4 hourly? Does this look a little similar to you? Does this look a little similar to you? What do you think about that? Do you see what's happening here? Do you see the up, then taking a little break, then going a little up, then making the nice W, and down? If I come here, up, taking a little break, then up, then making a bigger W, then taking a little break. And I'm seeing a divergence on the MACD here, and even here, the volume is down, and the MACD is a little down. If I come here, you can see the divergence, and the volume is down, and here a little down. Even the selling here had a really high volume. The selling here had a high. What the hell is going on? How similar is this? It's a little similar, in my opinion, don't you think? 50, I mean, up to 0 to 54%. This one is a little smaller, from 0 to 31%. From 0 to 37%, something like that. Maybe up to 40% here, while here it went up to 58, 60%. This one is a little bigger than the other one, 54%. But it's extremely similar. How did I come up with, first of all, this is May 21st, 2019. How did I come up with that date, which is extremely similar conditions? Which is extremely similar conditions. Well, I use this thing. Well, I use this nice thing. It's called astrology because I am the guy who sees the future. I have very powerful talents. I used my powerful talents to find a day where history is repeating itself. You can do the same, like, but I'm not gonna have it made for the public now, so you have to just follow me. Maybe one day I'm gonna be showing you how you can do this, or maybe provide a tool that can do it. But for now, you just need to follow me to get more of that. So you need to follow me right now on YouTube and on Trading View. Do not waste your time. It's ChemAstro, ChemAstro. History is repeating itself a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, 100% copy paste, but it definitely is repeating itself. On May 2019, Bitcoin had this bold run that came from, I don't know, some stagnation. We had similar thing. What happened? That's the question. What happened after that? You're all dying to know what's going to happen next. Well, based again in the astrology, there was two main events that happened in 2019, and I'm going to predict that we're going to have similar events, and I'm going to predict the percentages with you now. You're just going to keep paying attention. I need to follow me right now. Please do not do this to yourself. Do not do yourself a disservice. Do not waste more opportunities to make money. And more importantly, I will let you know when you need to exit before it gets too bad or too risky. Do not do this to yourself. Okay. If I push a little more on the past, the future of the past, Bitcoin went a little down, a little more. Then it's gonna pick up. They're gonna take a little break. They're gonna go up. Boom! So we're looking for that boom. You want to know when it's gonna go a little up and when it's gonna create a boom. So here, here, there's an event that's gonna happen. Let me get back here in a couple of hours. Exactly in 5 hours from now. So if I come here and put that in 5 hours from now, which should be here, I would expect Bitcoin will go a little up, then it's gonna take a little break before it goes up again, which gonna happen on, let's see, on the AM of March 28th. So March 28th, in the AM here. So if history is repeating itself between these two lines, one and boom, two, we would expect the same. If it went up, let's see how percentage. It went up 15%. I would expect at least 10 to 15% for the Bitcoin. So, and how can I make that? But let's see. From here to here, 15%. Yeah, I think I can do it from that. So if I bring this here on position, no, if I do that, date and price range, maybe even a little more because we said 15%. Okay. Okay, this thing is not really helping with the percentage. Let me just put it down. Okay. 10 to 15. Yep, we're gonna break the 30K. So we have to break the 31K around Tuesday. But is it gonna be fun and nice? And here's, by the way, a path. So I'm saying from here, a little up, take a little break. Before that day, we see a nice boom. And mark this. We can even take a screenshot of that one. Okay, that's history repeating itself like this exact one. High volume in that day. High volume gonna be in that day. Okay? What's gonna happen from here? And yeah, the 30K is insanely that number everybody is waiting for. Let's take a look at the history of the past. What happened from there? Oh shit. It didn't really keep going up. It's actually gonna go all the way down. And I'm sorry, there's a big probability it will repeat itself again. Has to go back again because we have to suffer with stupid Bitcoin. Damn, for multiple days, man. Just keep going up. But is it a sad story? No, it's not. And look at this. There's a bullish Gartley being formed if you put it here like that. A nice bullish Gartley. That means you're gonna pick up again. Okay. So that's actually really good if you get something like that. But you gotta be a little more patient if this happens. Let me push a little more in the oh, la, 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 bum, 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 bum. When it gonna go up? Yep, yep. What day is that? That's June 7th. I'm looking for June 9th. Yeah, here you go. Damn. From now on, it's just good news. You're gonna even break the older one. And if I even go to the daily, you're gonna have a really good week. It will be a really good week. Look at that. How much is that? That's 35%. No, there's even more than that. 61%. Yep. Only 61% before it goes actually really down. So you're going to see like 66% for a whole week before it start going down. And in history, it actually started going down for 6 months. Does this mean history will repeat itself 100%? No, the answer is no. In our case, it's much better story. It's a much better story, guys. So, yeah, if we go by history repeating itself, I have another interesting date that I want to look for. There's another interesting event that will happen. Let's see, when is that event? Yep, it's that day, April 12th. April 12th. So I want to look for April 12th here. That mean if history is repeating itself, we're gonna see a lot of BS happening here before we get that similar April 12th here. So we might see a lot of BS like coming here, going up, this, that, blah, 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 before we come here to April 12th and it pick up really, really high. How high, ChemAstro? Well, we said before it should do what, 60%? Let's just try to do even something a little moderate, like 40%. How about that? That's not even moderate. If I go 40%, yep. There's a shitty day that gonna come too. Let me tell you, when is the shitty day? That is just gonna be really shitty. Excuse my English. April 21st. So I have another event happening on April 21st here. So it's nice up to that time. Boom. Then it's not gonna be too nice. Okay. Do we have interesting resistance and support and all of that nice things? Let's try to come up with some lines. I have a resistance, I have another support. Maybe gonna go all the way up to the 47 before it's like, okay, we reject that support. Let me get back to the 4 hourly or whatever. So yeah, I can see this going all the way up here. 52%. Okay. What the hell is going on? That's insane. ChemAstro, what are you doing here? You're just like, yeah. First of all, that means we did break the head and shoulder. Head and shoulder started at the 47, so it need to end at the 47, and that's it. That means it's gonna go a little down. Yep, it has to go a little down for a while before another really good signal in May, guys. I told you about it. That's just wait for it. Crazy things gonna start to happen. Crazy things gonna start to happen. But yeah, this is the third wave of the elite waves we talked about 100%. Because if I pick up my Fibonacci, kind of lines to an extent. Okay. So yeah, this is my prediction based on history repeating itself for the May 2019, 21st of May 2019 till now, uh, to see what's going on. And let me know in the feedback, in the comments, what is your feedback?